Roof revealed a new flat-8 engine at the Goodwood Festival of Speed. Designated the B8, it was installed in a modified CTR3 prototype and made its public debut during the event. The twin-turbocharged 4.8-liter boxer engine produced more than 1,000 horsepower and 737 pound-feet of torque. Roof said the engine was designed and developed entirely in-house, though no additional technical specifications were released. The prototype used a lengthened CTR3 body to accommodate the engine, and was paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. Roof said the B8 was not yet ready for production, but it served as a testbed for technologies that would be used in a future Roof model.